OPENLUX UFO light bay comes with a hook that you simply screw on, tighten down, a safety screw to make sure it doesn't slide out, and on the back of the unit there is an L and H cover that you open up. It's going to be a low, medium, high, and 3 color Kelvin temperatures. This light doesn't have an on and off switch. It'll automatically turn on. The Kelvin going to the warmer, resets, and then the warmest. And then below that switch you have a low. Then it's going to increase to the next level of brightness until you hit the end. This has a whole bunch of LEDs and will throw heat from the unit. 22,500 kelvins. You can see how much heat is generated from the unit. It has cooling fins on the opposite side. As you can see, it's pretty warm indeed, but not super hot. We're going to show you in a room under a project that's getting done how the light works out. The unit's IP rated and can be hooked up anywhere you want. We're hooked up with a purple dim positive, pink negative with an optional dimmer switch. It's 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 Kelvin with a 90 watt, 120 watt, 150 watt. Low power is 40%, medium power is 20%, high power. You have the option to work in a construction anywhere you need to have light. This light shines down very bright indeed. The unit's IP rated and can be hooked up anywhere you want. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.